If you don't like your voice or you don't have a good microphone, this might be the easiest way to create voiceovers for your videos using AI. This is for educational purposes. Please say no to fraud. A lot of people want to start YouTube or content creation, but they stop because of things like their voice, background noise, or not having proper equipment. I used to think that too. Like everything had to be perfect before I could start. But I was wrong. And now I want to teach you. I found a simple workaround using a tool called Character.AI. Yes, Character.AI. You can see it on the screen. And just to be clear, I'm not affiliated with this tool. I'm just showing how you can use it for educational purposes only. So once you open Character.AI, this is what you see. So once you are in, you can either sign up or sign in. Sign in if you already have an account. If you don't have an account, you sign up. So once you sign up, this is how it will look like. Okay, so for you to generate a voiceover, you can either pick an existing character or create your own depending on the type of voice you want. I recommend creating your own character. Okay, so you just go ahead and tap this plus button here, tap the plus button, then you tap character and you put a name. Let's say, okay, let's say for example Bobo. Okay, next, describe what Bobo looks like. You don't have to do this, you just tap next. So when you get to this place where it says voice, you can see greeting. Where it says greeting, you can see clearly it states an example saying took you long enough, I've been waiting. So this is where you type in whatever you want the voice to say. Let's say thank you for liking and subscribing to my channel. I'll post more videos like this because of your support. Okay, let's say for example, this is what we want the AI to say, what we want the voice to say, the voiceover. So after typing in what you want it to say, then you can see the name up. It says Bobo, which is the voice. If you tap it, obviously it's not going to say anything because you have not selected the voice yet. So all you just do is you tap change, look for the voice you want. Let's say for example, let's search, let me see, Trump, or let's just select a popular or any one from the list here. Let's hear this. Okay, you can't hear this for now, but then you tap it. After selecting it, all you do is you scroll down. You can see next button. You tap on the next button, then you make it unlisted. Reason why I'm making it unlisted is so that others can just see the particular voiceover you did. Do you understand? Like someone will just take what you gave the AI to say. If you don't make it unlisted, if you make it public, it basically means that thank you for liking and subscribing to my channel. I'll post more videos like this because of your support. Will be public and anyone can see it and just tap it and use the voice. So let's go back. This is not what I want you guys to see more, but this is just a step. This is to show you that you can select a voice from the voices available, but for you to add your own voice, this is where the magic comes in. For you to add your own voice, now we are going to go back to where we added our text, and then we'll tap the change to change the voice. At the top right, you can see create. Yeah, I'll zoom it. Yeah, I believe you can see it clearly now. So you tap create, you agree and continue, or you cancel, anyone. So you can either record your own clip with the mic. That's, you're recording your own voice. So if you record your own voice, that means whatever you type in, the AI will deliver whatever you type in your own voice, so you don't have to sit down writing voiceovers or seeing all those long messages or long texts. I believe you understand. So that's just it with recording sound. And with this recording sound, you can do more than that. You can play the voice of whoever you want to use for your voiceover, whichever popular voice you want to use for your voiceover. Say no to fraud. You can just tap and record. Maybe you play it from another device or your laptop. You are playing the voice of that person you want to use for a voiceover. You tap record. It will record, record. Okay, then you stop. After it stops, generate a voice. It will take like some seconds. As you can see, very fast. Tap next. Add a name. Let's say Bob or Steel. Save voice. You can either remove it from public or leave it as public. So once you save it, it appears in your voices. This is discover. This is my voices. Look at it again. This is discover. This is my voices. So you just go to your voices and then you see all the voices you've added, the voices you created yourself. That's one. So another way to create is you can just tap create. If you have an audio file, if you have an audio file of the voice you want to use for your voiceover, all you have to do is tap upload sound, go to your audiobooks or whichever file you save the voiceover, tap it. After tapping it, take some seconds. Okay, you can only add a voice clip which is between 3 and 60 seconds. So if it's more than 3 and 60 seconds, it won't work. So you have to make sure that the voice clip you are adding is between 3 and 60 seconds. That's about 1 minute or less. Okay, so that's all you do. After you add, or rather you upload the voice you want to use for your voiceover, you tap next, brings you back here, your voices. If you tap my voices, you'll be able to just see it here. Remember, you add the name, you can go back and check it again. Feel free, you can watch this over and over and over again until you understand clearly. And if you have any question, you can just write it down on the comments. I'll get back to you maybe in the next video. So this is it. This is the voice we added, my voice, which I use my own mouth to do. Okay, bubble, I tap it, select voice. So this is the voice that will be used for this particular message. Great. So all you have to do from here is you tap next. Let's go back. Remember, I told you unlisted, so it doesn't go public. What you add doesn't need to be public for everybody to just tap and then listen to it. Maybe it's something personal, something you just want for yourself. Yes, make it unlisted, please. After tapping unlisted, you tap next. Then no need to add subtitle, description, character definition. These are all useless for what you're trying to do. From here, you tap create. Simple. So now you have your voice. This is your voice. It just created it as it just generated a character for you with your voice and the text you added as the greeting. So the reason why I made you to add the text as greeting is so that it will appear here. How can you take this out and use it as your voiceover? Now we are getting into that. As you can see right here, okay, let me circle this. All right, as you can see right here, you can see this looks like a Wi-Fi that is looking right. Okay, a Wi-Fi icon looking right. Sorry. All you have to do is tap your screen record. Tap your screen record. All you have to do is tap your screen record. Start screen recording your screen. Then you just tap on the icon that looks like a Wi-Fi looking right. I just circled it. Tap it, and then it will speak. Thank you for. This is a lot of work. Nothing is easy, guys. Nothing is easy. So if you really want to do something, you have to put in your time, your effort, energy into it. So it's not just because it's an AI tool, you just come, just do it, just take. No, that's not how it works. Unless if you want to use paid tools, there are a lot of paid tools out there. But this is the best way to do voiceovers for your videos, for for your content, for whatever you're doing. Simple. You end your screen record, you go back, you go to a, I'm not going to show you that, I'll show you that in the next video. You go to a MP3 or MP4 to MP3 converter, that's video to audio converter. Go to an app like that. I'll show you the best app in the next video. Go to an app like that, change your video, or convert your video rather, into an MP3. From there, you'll be able to share it to whoever you want to share it, or use it for your video edits for your content. I believe you got a lot of value from this. Okay, if you combine this with simple video editing or animation, you can literally build full videos without a microphone or even a camera. Believe me, I'm going to show you guys how to animate in my next videos. Just subscribe, like, follow my channel. I'll be dropping a lot of educational videos for you using AI tools you can use for whatever you want to go into, whether it's YouTube automation, content creation, faceless, and all that. Okay, so stay tuned, because I'll be sharing more tools like this, like I just said, especially for people trying to start content from zero, people who don't have money but want to use tools they can use to make money. I believe you understand. So if you found this helpful, stay tuned. More practical tools are coming. Thank you.